public interest litigation and a public interest litigation address fundamental concerns in which Kenyans feel overlooked, mistreated, and ignored by a regime steeped in impunity. Some of the cases include the Jubilee Party case and the ruling by the Speaker of the National Assembly forming multiple parliamentary groups within this particular political party. This is a real threat to the foundations of our attempts to create a strong multi-party democracy. It threatens to return Kenya to a single-party era. The housing levy is a threat to livelihoods. The plan to unilaterally sell public assets without the participation of the owners, who are the people of Kenya. We will stand in solidarity with the petitioners in the public interest litigation cases on these issues. Azimio stands for the rule of law and supports the need for an independent and professional judiciary. Subsequently, we demand that the Kenya Kwanza regime must keep its hands off the judiciary. We take note expressed by the United States government for the Ruto regime to appeal against the ruling on the deployment of police to Haiti. It is our hope this shall respect the independence of the judiciary and that foreign interests will keep off our national affairs. Azimio remains on the way forward. Azimio remains extremely disturbed by the worsening cost of living, the the collapsing national currency, the chaos in the education sector, the tribalism in public service, and the return of mega corruption. The summit has committed to seek other ways and means to press the regime to listen to the cries of the people. The litigation will only be one such avenue. Other ways are being worked on, whose ultimate goal is to force the regime to be sensitive to the tribute and to enable the people to take such steps as they may deem necessary, remembering that they have the residual power and sovereignty for the people to be able to rid themselves of this yoke regime. Just like the donkey spoke to Balaam in the Bible, the donkey is now telling Zakayo, enough is enough. We thank you.
Thank you very much.
Asanteni sana.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'll help you read it.
That's okay.
Hello? You ready?
Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this was the first meeting of Azimio Summit. Azimio is all here, except Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, who is out of the country. He's traveling to South Sudan today. That's why he's not here. There's been a lot of speculation in the media. Oh, Azimio is splitting. Azimio is convening meetings which have not been held, and so on and so forth. That is all trash, media propaganda. So we have got a statement which is going to be read here by Honorable Eugene Wamalwa and Madam Martha Karua. Madam Martha Karua. Eugene.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen of the press. This is our statement from the Azimio Summit, and it's titled Azimio. The summit, which is the top decision-making organ of Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party, has held a meeting today under the chairmanship of the Right Honorable Raila ODINGA. Being the first this year, the meeting focused on review of the previous year, briefing on the government of the previous year, briefing on the government's budget-making process, position on public interest litigation, and the way forward. In attendance, as you can see before you, apart from our leader, his deputy, the Honorable Martha Karua, yours truly, Honorable Mwangi Wairia, Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya, Honorable Peter Munya, Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, Honorable Nderitu Mreithi, Honorable Wajakoya, and Honorable Opio Wandae. Absent with apology was the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who's currently in the Sudan for other engagements, but who spoke to our leader this morning and sent his apologies, and the meeting has gone on with his blessings, and his views have been incorporated in the resolutions that we'll be reading to you. Plenty deliberation, the summit resolved the following. Azimio remains satisfied with its activities that were able to focus on the excesses of the Kenya Kwanza regime that has made life miserable for the greater majority